Welcome back, Last Request Barbecue Show. Today, Ponzu salmon steaks. That's right, this delicious mix of citrusy and tamari, which is like soy sauce, and all kinds of interesting flavors with some special hot peppers from my own garden. And onto the salmon, we're gonna put this bearded Butcher Zesty. Gonna give this a try. I think it'll be the perfect offset for the salmon. We got some delicious salmon steaks. We're gonna put it on the grill. It's a quick meal, and you know, you could do this on salmon fillets. I'm doing it on salmon steaks. I like the meaty flavor of a salmon steak. So let's get started. All right, clearly our jealous devil charcoal has done the trick. Look at those flames. I can feel the heat from over here. Brand new there, hey, I've been promising them. Brand new. All right, so let's get this dumped into our, whoa, look at that. Nice, and I'm gonna put on to that some of this, woo, look at that heat, melting the bag, melting. Ooh, we got some melty stuff. So I got these smoker, bourbon infused, and I was like, how bourbon infused could they be? Oh my goodness, you open it up, it smells like bourbon, let me tell you. So this will go well. Throw these bricks on, there we go. That's gonna give us some nice smoke. Let's get our cover on. Let's put the lid on. Full open, there we go, there we go. All right, let that sit and get up to temperature. All right, first of all, I'm gonna take our salmon. I'm gonna put a little bit of our camelina oil on it just to get it ready for the love, so to speak. So we just rub that over there. And let's put our zesty on and let that set a spell while I'm making up the ponzu, while the barbecue is coming up to temp. I think this will set off nicely the citrus components. So let's get that into our salmon. That'll grill up super nice. Let that sit in. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're zesting. This is available, by the way, at All Barbecue Canada, online, or if you happen to be in Kingston, at All Barbecue Canada. And we'll give a healthy dose. There's big, thick pieces of salmon here, so it can take a lot of spice. And we'll see how this zesty takes it up a notch. All right, so we'll let that sit in. All right, ingredients. So we take 1/2 cup of tamari, which is a soy sauce base product, so 1/2 cup of that. There we go, 1/2 cup of tamari. Shout out to ATTB All Barbecue, where I get this recipe from. And you know, they added a bit of water. I'm not, just because I've got the benefit here of bigger pieces of salmon. So I'm putting in 2 limes with my wonderful Lee Valley press here. All right, now we're also going to put in some mirin, add a bit of sweetness. So put in about a tablespoon of mirin. I think we'll finish our mirin here. That's a tablespoon for sure. And we're gonna put a few drops, very strong. Sesame seed oil is very strong, so we're just gonna put basically 3 drops worth. 1, 2, 3, oh, 4. Okay, maybe it's a little more. Bah. Okay, now let's get a full orange. Don't buy orange juice, get the fresh stuff. You know, don't sleep on getting the very fresh, because that'll make a difference. Oh, they smell amazing, actually. So get some fresh OJ in, which is about a 1/4 cup by the time we're done, depending on the size of the orange you have, but it's about a 1/4 cup. All right, whoa, that's a good one. All right, so I've cut this up, so it makes the process a little tedious, but it does get the most amount out of your orange juice the easiest way. You could cut them in half and give them a good squeeze, of course. I choose to do it this way. And last but not least, fresh chilies from the garden. From my garden and from my father-in-law's garden, we're gonna put in 2 chilies, and then we're gonna reserve the rest for garnish. There we go, fresh garden chilies. That's gonna take it up a notch for sure. All right, let's get that last one in. And again, we're gonna save the last one, which came from my garden, for a bit of topping. Check this out, my chicken. Thank you, chicken folks. We'll mix all this up. Beautiful. We'll let that set a spell, because that's gonna go on after we cook our salmon. So let's give it a taste. Amazing. The heat's already in it. Wow, okay, good. Let's go see how our charcoal's doing. All right, we got some good smoke going. We got some temperature going. We got the right ingredients to get our fish on. Sear the outside. Let's get this top off to the side here. So let's get our salmon on. Check that out, looking delicious. Oh yeah, there we go. Very nice, very nice. Special tool, by the way. These are a special fish spatula. Get one of these. They make a huge difference, so get one of these. I'm gonna keep a close eye on this, actually. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna hang out here with one of my favorite new beers from Stonehooker, right near where I live, Mississauga. Sawmill Sid. So check it out. If you happen to be in Mississauga, you got a nice beer, nice microbrewery right on the lakeshore. So I'm gonna babysit our salmon now, just to make sure we don't fry it too much. All right, let's take a look. It's been cooking for a little bit. Pop the top here and see how we're doing. Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, smoky. Sure is smoky. Let's take a look underneath here how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's good. It's not sticking. We're in good shape. Now, those flames are popping up now just because I got the top off. How are we doing underneath? Oh yeah, I think I'll flip it. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, so I moved the salmon around off the direct fire. Let's take a look at what we've got. All right, the big reveal. Woo-hoo! Now, I'm not alarmed with the color. That's the zest. So let's check the temperature. Yeah, we are done. Our salmon is done. All right, let's get that ponzu sauce on here. Cover this up, close up our vents. We're ready for another cook, another time. All right, we give another mix for our sauce here. And let's pour on our ponzu. There we go. Delicious. Also be nice little dipping sauce when we're ready. So what are we having with that? From the garden cucumbers and a delicious corn salad. Oh, I love that crispness. There we go. Look at that. Delicious. Actually, I'm going to put a little more ponzu in there. Let it open it up. Not too much. Well, there we have it. Ponzu salmon steaks. Enjoy.